Hey, Assalamu alaikum. The best way to beat summer is to be having nice, cool, refreshing drink. What's better drink than lassi? I'm gonna show you how to make Ruafza lassi. Let's get started. We need 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of Ruafza syrup, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cardamom, pistachios chopped, and ice cubes. In a jar, add yogurt, add Ruafza syrup, sugar, cardamom, and blend. Now add 1 cup of chilled water and blend. Adding water gives you a proper thickness. Now add ice cubes and the final blend. This should be the thickness of lassi. Ruafza lassi is ready to be served. Hot summers are called for cold drinks. So here I have come up with a refreshing drink called Ruafza lassi. Hope you'll try it and give us the feedback. Do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.